Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss how you can open a Dropbox account. Dropbox is a cloud storage solution equipped with features to help you save time, improve your productivity and collaborate with others. Just some of the many things you can do with Dropbox includes store your files, documents and photos online and access them from any device. Dropbox provides a way to sync files between devices and back them up, making information accessible from anywhere. It also allows users to share files and collaborate with others. There are a lot of benefits to using Dropbox for cloud storage. Dropbox Basic offers 2 GB of storage and it's free to use. To gain these benefits, first you need to create a Dropbox account and let me show you how. First, open your Dropbox app and continue with your email ID. We are providing a random ID in here. After putting your email ID, you need to fill up your password, your name. After filling all those up, you have to check the box to agree to the Dropbox terms and then sign up. You'll receive an email to confirm your registration. Once you have a Dropbox account, you can access your files from Dropbox app. That's it for today. See you in the next